She made love to the pole with the public hair that ran down the hole to hide out there. She was all that the cactus could find out there in the prickly, in the sticky desert sun. Open wide, goodbye, banana. Say hello to the bride of Frank Zappa. She say in the event that she looked like Frank, who is sitting in the cellar looking piggy blank. He knows she knows it, but every mother must get his movie someday. Open wide, goodbye, banana. Say hello to the bride of Frank Zappa. She tickling Frankie's nose, sticking toothpicks up his nose. He say, I need you, honey, I want you, honey. I'm only gonna do it for the money. She go out with Frank and he go out too. It's not funny, but they look just like me and you. I don't know if it is really true, but I don't care. Now Frankie, he say he don't like this song. I make fun of his life and it lasts too long, but I don't gonna care. No one hear it anywhere. Open wide, goodbye, banana. Say hello to the bride of Frank Zappa. The bride of Frank Zappa. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. You walking